Hi everyone, welcome to this quick workflow video. Today I'm going to show you a workflow I've been testing, and it's involving Revit. I'm going to link it to the database export, which I'm then going to link into Power BI and then link that information into BIM360. So I'm in the Revit 2019 environment. I'm going to go to the add-ins tab, and there is a free add-in that you can get from your Autodesk account called Revit Database Link. And if I click it, I'm going to select a new connection, and I'm going to export my model out to Microsoft Access. So I'm going to export it, and here I'm going to save it direct to BIM360, and I've got a project already preset. I'm going to click into my project files, documentation, product info, and I'm going to call this the architectural database. So I click save, and that will export my Revit model out to Microsoft Access. So once my file is exported, I'm going to click into Power BI, and I'm going to use the get data. So I select this, and you can see that it doesn't have access on the drop down, so I click the more, and then I choose the access database. I click connect, and then I use the BIM360 desktop connector again. So it's BIM360, select my hub, select my project files, documentation, product info, and then I can select my exported database file. So I click open, and that will open the file. It will take a second or two to fully load into BI, and then I check which area I want to work with. So just for this example, I'm going to work with the room information. So select the checkbox, there's the room information, select load, and that will load the information into Power BI. So there on the right we have our information. I'm going to use the tree map chart. I'm going to use the areas, and I want my room, let's say we want the room name, and we just do something, let's just drag this down like that, so make that full screen. And the details, I want to, let's say, have the perimeter information in the details. So there we have, very quick chart showing all the different areas, the names. So what we can do is I can link this chart directly into BIM360. So I'm going to click File, Save As, and I'm just going to save it Room Tree View, and I'm going to save that again direct into BIM360. And then I'm going to publish this to my online workspace. So I'm going to click into my workspace, and that will publish this chart direct up to the online Power BI platform. So you can see a success. I can then open it in Power BI, which will go to my web space, and the idea with the web space is that there's the data. I can click the file menu and I can publish it to the web. So this will give me an embed code. When I click publish, there's the code. I'm going to click copy. Now this is the cool thing in BIM360. So in my Insight module, I can click the Customize button, and I can click Card Library and Partner Cards, and if I scroll down, I will find the Power BI Partner Card. I can add it to my screen. I can then click Configure, and I can say, call it Room Areas, and then I paste the URL. Now you need to just slightly edit it, that we're taking off the frame borders at the end and at the start. And all we're really looking for is the URL. Click Save. And now we have a direct link from our Revit environment to Power BI. And now I have it direct in BIM360.